How to fake a nose job with jelly. Not this jelly. This jelly. This is the new Revlon Dual Ended Jelly Makeup Blender. It's the first dual ended jelly makeup blender that blends and diffuses your makeup. Soft jelly-like tips mimic the tip of your fingertips. I'm gonna apply the product on the side of the bridge of the nose. That way we can look like we have a nice skinny nose. Using the smaller side of the jelly blender, we're gonna be doing a swiping motion. That way we can blend out the line of the contour. Let's do the other side. We're gonna use the Flexwear Full Cover Concealer. We're just gonna put a few dots. 1, 2, 3. The cool part about this jelly blender is that it's so easy to clean. You just grab a wipe and you wipe it off. We're gonna be blending this out. Oh my god, this is blending out so good. We're gonna use the bigger side of the blender. We're gonna start blending this concealer out. I'm loving how the jelly blender is so precise. Now let's try blending out the Revlon Gel Serum Blush. Wow. That blends out so beautiful. Let me show you how gross and nasty using makeup sponges can be. In the middle, a lot of bacteria can grow and it can cause you to break out. Get rid of these nasty makeup sponges and use the new Dual Ended Jelly Makeup Blender by Revlon. Also, let me know if there's any